the channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So while my heat tip is drying, I'm going to go ahead on and give you guys the specs of this hair really quick. So today's video sponsor is Sangtok, and they were kind enough to send over their 36-inch new HD unit. So as you guys saw, this is like the wig cap construction is split. The first half is a 13x7 HD lace, and the back half is the double lace that I typically cut out. If you're not new here, you know I always go in and cut it out. This is actually just already pre-styled in the way that I do cut it. I never did cut out the back, I always cut out the front, so I'm appreciating the ease of this. So there was little to no work that was needed to apply this. You definitely can just wear this straight out of the box, as you saw when I installed it. So like I said, this is their knotless unit. It's a box braid unit, and it's braided all the way to the tip. Like the very tip is braided. I'm loving the size of this as well, the size of the braids, that is. I'm loving the size of them. They're not small, but they're not medium. They're like a medium type size. I like that. I like that they're not super tiny. I like that they gradually get little at the tips. I like the parting space in comparison to the size of the braid as well. It's giving very much so natural. I'm loving the wig cap construction because it's really scalping. Yeah, it's really lightweight, you guys. They said this is 36 inches. This is hitting on me like it's a 38-inch unit. Yeah, it's very long. It's like past my butt, like, and yeah, it's past my butt. And I've had some 36-inch braid units, and this is longer than that, but I love it. More hair for the money, okay? So we ain't complaining about that. Very lightweight for the length as well. This is a big hair friendly cap. I adjust mine to just about the tightest that it can go, and yeah, so you definitely have that room to where if your head is on the larger side, you can still wear this. Yeah, you guys know I'm always here for these braided wigs. I do agree that they're all not made equally. You can have some really bold looking units, but the ones that I review tend to be very nice quality ones. Another thing that I like about these are the fact that they always look fresh. You know, when we go and get our natural hair braided, eventually we're going to have new growth, and eventually they're going to get old looking. I love the idea of these wigs because you always have freshness to your hair. Like the parts are always fresh and crisp. The braid is always neat and crisp. Like it just does not get old because it's not your natural hair. So I'm loving that. You're never gonna have, you know, it's just never gonna look old. So I really like that. The life of these things are bomb, you guys. If you're not new here, you done seen my channel, so you know I done did a lot of these reviews. So I got a little collection now of these units, and they all look just as new as the new ones. You know, my older ones look just as new as the new ones. Like they really do hold up really well. I really like the ones that are braided to the tip. I like the ones that's kind of curly too, but after a while, you know, I kind of get tired of the curls. But yeah, I like the ones that's just braided all the way to the tip because you just have just straight braid. You don't ever have to worry about stressing your hair out or the time it takes to go get it done, time it takes to take it down, because you can just take this on and off as you please. You can also change up your styles more often than you would if you actually had these in your actual hair. Now I know some people can't really get with the braided wigs, but if you get the right ones, do a couple little tips and tricks, especially if you watch some of my older videos with these braided wigs, you can pull it off. You really can pull it off. A lot of people really do be thinking I done got my hair braided. Like they'll be asking me like what shop I don't went to, because they really be thinking these be braids that's in my head. Yeah, so I always would say don't knock it before you try it. As of late, these companies have really been going into this HD wave with these braided wigs, and that is the way we are trying to go because I got tired of cutting out all that double lace. And when they come with the HD lace, you literally can just wear it straight out of the box. You don't have to do nothing but cut your lace, get you some adhesive, and attach it to your forehead, and you're done. And you're done. You got a head full of braids in 5 minutes. Like, it's bomb. It's just bomb. So don't knock it until you try it. So we could probably play around with a couple styles. I tend to do that when I do these reviews. I'm gonna just let y'all watch me play around with a couple styles. And yeah, I'm probably not gonna do no talking in this next part, so I just want to say right here and now, thank y'all so much for watching. I want to thank Sangtok so much for sponsoring this video. So let's get into some of these styles.